A frog's life. Frogs are very unusual animals. They can move in many ways, such as jumping, hopping, swimming, and diving. They make an unusual sound, crack crack or ribbit ribbit. Frogs are amphibians as they can live on land or in the water. They have webbed feet for swimming. Their big round eyes stick out on top of their heads so that they can see all the way round. Most frogs are green or brown with markings that help them hide from their enemies. Frogs also have an unusual life cycle. In springtime, they lay thousands of eggs that float in ponds or streams, but these eggs, called spawn, don't hatch into baby frogs. Instead, they hatch into quite different little animals called tadpoles, which have round black bodies and long tails. A tadpole has a mouth but no legs. Tadpoles live in water and breathe through gills like fish. For the first 10 days, they hang onto plants. Then they start to swim around finding plants for food. After 4 to 6 weeks, their gills begin to disappear, but they can still breathe underwater. They grow tiny teeth and their tails get shorter. When the tadpoles are 6 to 9 weeks old, they develop back legs with webbed feet. Their bodies become longer as their tails get shorter still. They begin to breathe air by coming to the top of the water. After 9 weeks, the tadpoles develop short front legs. Their color begins to change to green or brown. They look more like frogs with head shapes showing. Their eyes are bigger, but they still have tails. By 12 weeks, they are froglets, not tadpoles. They look just like tiny frogs except for their short tails. The froglets begin to leave the water to find food because they are able to eat worms, slugs, and bugs. After 16 weeks, they are adult frogs. They have changed their shape and their way of breathing. They can hop out onto the land or swim in the pond or stream. Their legs are so strong that they can jump 20 times their own length. They have changed color to match their habitat so that they will be hidden from their enemies. The life cycle will begin all over again with the new frogs laying big group of eggs. When the tadpoles hatch, they will follow the same stages until they grow into croaking frogs too. The end.